Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Insect Club. In this video, we are discussing question number 2A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We provide all type of solutions of any course, any subject. If you need answers of any type of PDF answers or homework assignments, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We provide all type of solutions at your WhatsApp within a day. And thank you so much. We are here for providing and guiding uh, of any type of subject that you are pursuing. The question number 2A is show that the transformation Q is equal to Q square and P is equal to P upon 2Q is a canonical transformation by showing that it is an exact differential. Obtain the time independent generating function f2 Q comma P. So we have prepared according to the numbers, which is 10 marks. And if you need answers of all the questions, so contact us without any hesitation. We will provide all the answers in a PDF form. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.